A very good morning to all the students of class 4. Dear student, today we will study the fourth chapter of social science from the book Our Land, Our World. The chapter title is The Coastal Plains and Iceland. Dear student, as I am sharing my screen with you, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter, what you will learn in this chapter. So, dear student, as you can see in my screen, you will learn about the western coastal plains and their subtopics, the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, the Malabar coast. And in this chapter, you will also learn about the eastern coastal plains. In this chapter, you will also learn about the islands of India. And in this chapter, you will also learn about life in the western coastal region and their subtopics: Gujarat, coastal plains of Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, and about Lakshadweep Iceland. In the last, you will learn about life in the eastern coastal region and their subtopics: coastal plains of Tamil Nadu, coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh, coastal plains of Odisha, and the Andaman Nicobar Island. Dear student, let's begin the chapter with the help of book. This is the sixth chapter, the coastal plains and Iceland. This is the pictorial part of the India's coastal plains and their Iceland. This is the eastern part and this is the western part of coastal plains and Iceland. So, dear student, as I am highlighting it, southern part of the country is surrounded by sea on three sides. As you can see in picture also, this is the southern part of the India and which is surrounded by sea on three sides. This is Bay of Bengal, between the Arabian Sea and western lies the western coastal plains. As I am highlighting it, the eastern coast plains lies between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghat. The Deccan Plateau separate three plains from each other. The plains meet at Kanyakumari. A student, यहाँ पर आके ये मिलते हैं. This is the lowermost part of India, which is Kanyakumari. A student, let's discuss the western coastal plains. Dear student, the western coastal plain, as I am underlining it, it stretches from the Gulf of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. So, Gulf of Kutch north से कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है? साउथ में जो सबसे नीचे है, साउदर्न पार्ट कन्याकुमारी तक फैला हुआ है. A gulf is a narrow part of sea entering the land. This is very important question which you should know. What is gulf? So the answer is a gulf is a narrow part of sea entering the land. What is gulf? A gulf is a narrow part of sea entering the land. So this plain is divided into three parts. ये प्लेन जो है कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है? वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है: गुजरात कोस्ट, कोंकण कोस्ट एंड मालाबार कोस्ट. सो दिस इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. In how many parts western coastal plains divided? So the answer is the plain is divided into 3 parts. First, Gujarat coast. Second, Konkan coast, and third, Malabar coast. Let's discuss the Gujarat coast. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of seaport. Let's discuss Gujarat coast. As you can see in my screen, this plain is fairly broad between the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Kambat. तो ये सबसे बड़ा एरिया है, एक ब्रॉड एरिया है गुजरात कोस्ट, किसके बीच का? गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ एंड गल्फ ऑफ कंबाट के बीच का. द लैंड इज फ्लैट एयर, जो उनके बीच का लैंड है वो फ्लैट है. पीपल ग्रो कॉटन, ग्राउंडनट एंड टबैको हेयर. तो गुजरात कोस्टल लाइंस में क्या क्या चीजें लोग उगाते हैं? कॉटन, ग्राउंडनट एंड टबैको. There are minerals oil wells in Kambat. Kandla and Okha are two important seaport of this coast. तो इस coast के दो important port हैं, which is Kandla and Okha. This is very important question which you should know. Kandla seaport situated at which coast? So the answer is the Gujarat coast. Kandla and Okha are two important seaport of the Gujarat coast. So this is all about the Gujarat coast. Let's discuss the Konkan coast. As I am highlighting it, the plain from Gulf of Kambat to Goa is known as the Konkan coast. तो Konkan coast क्या है? What is the Konkan coast? जो इसके बीच में lie करता है. The plain from Gulf of Kambat to Goa. Gulf of Kambat से गोवा के बीच का जो plain area है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Konkan coast कहते हैं. Some hills of this coast reach right up to the sea. Here their rocks lie hidden under the sea water. Ships and boats can dash against them. Lighthouses are built all along the coast to warn the sailors. Mumbai is the biggest city of this coast. So dear student, this is very important question. Which is the biggest city of Konkan coast? So the answer is Mumbai is the biggest city of Konkan coast. It is the largest seaport of India. Again, this is very important question. Which is the largest seaport of India? So the answer is Konkan coast is the largest port of India. It has a natural harbor. Natural harbor है ये. Famous oil fields known as Bombay High near the Mumbai coast. Okay, बच्चों, जो फेमस ऑयल फील्ड है इसका, इसे किस नाम से जाना जाता है? बॉम्बे हाई के नाम से जाना जाता है, जो कहाँ पर है? मुंबई कोस्ट के पास में है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट the Konkan coast, which is in the western coast plains. So let's discuss the third western coastal plains, which is Malabar coast. So let's discuss the Malabar coast. The Malabar coast, it extends from Goa to Kanyakumari. तो Malabar coast कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है? गोवा से कन्याकुमारी तक. This is very important question and I am highlighting it. The Malabar coast extends from Goa to Kanyakumari. Sand dunes have been piled off by the sea all along the coast. Most of them are covered with coconut plants. कोस्ट का बहुत सा एरिया किस पे कवर्ड है, कोकोनट प्लांट से कवर्ड है. एट मैनी प्लेसेस सी वाटर हैज एंटर्ड फार इनटू द लैंड एंड कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द मेन सी बाय सैंड ड्यून्स. इट लुक लाइक अ lake. Such lakes are called lagoons or backwaters. So, dear student, this is very important question. What is lagoons? So, the answer is, what is lagoons? Answer is, at many places, sea water has entered into the land and cut off from the main sea by sand dunes, which looks like lake, and such lake are called lagoons or backwaters. They are interconnected by the कैनल्स. तो वो आंतरिक रूप में कहाँ से किससे कनेक्ट है, कैनल से कनेक्टेड है. द मालाबार कोस्ट गेट्स हैवी रेनफॉल, सो राइस इज ग्रोन ऑल अलोंग द कोस्ट. तो यहाँ पर राइस बहुत ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि यहाँ पर बारिश बहुत ज्यादा होती है. अदर क्रॉप ऑफ दिस रीजन आर कोकोनट, बनाना, ब्लैक पेपर, clove, cardamoms, and cashews nuts. Kochi is the most important seaport of Malabar coast. This is very important question. Which seaport is the most important port of Malabar coast? So the answer is Kochi is the most important seaport of Malabar coast. It has shipbuilding yards. So this is all about the Malabar coast. Let's discuss eastern coastal plains. अभी हमने western coastal plains पढ़ा, जिसके अंदर हमने क्या पढ़ा, the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast, जो किसके अंदर आते हैं, western coast plains के अंदर आते हैं. अब हम क्या पढ़ेंगे, the eastern coastal plains. Let's discuss it. It extends from the delta of Ganga to Kanyakumari. तो ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स कहाँ से कहाँ तक फैले हुए हैं, डेल्टा ऑफ गंगा से कन्याकुमारी तक फैले हुए हैं. इट इज वाइडर देन वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. इट्स नॉर्दर्न पार्ट इज कॉल्ड नॉर्दर्न सरकार्स, while its southern part is called Coromandel coast. तो जो इसका नॉर्थ पार्ट है, इस कोस्टल प्लेन का नॉर्दर्न पार्ट है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, नॉर्दर्न सरकार्स कहते हैं. एंड साउदर्न पार्ट को हम क्या कहते हैं, कोरोमंडल कोस्ट कहते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द रेनफॉल along the eastern coastal plains is lower than western coastal plains. बच्चों, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन के कंपैरिजन में यहाँ पर कम बारिश होती है. All big river of this coast, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri from delta. As I am removing it. So let's move ahead. Yes. Delta is the mouth of a river where it forms many branches. This is very important question. What is delta? Dear student, as you can see, this is the pictorial part of delta. What is delta? Delta is the mouth of a river where it forms many branches. It forms many branches. As you can see in my screen, this is the delta. This is the delta and it has many branches. So delta is a mouth of a river where it forms many branches. So these deltas have made this plain more fertile. तो ये जो डेल्टा होते हैं वो इस रीजन को, इस प्लेन रीजन को क्या करते हैं, ज्यादा फर्टाइल बनाते हैं, ज्यादा उपजाऊ बनाते हैं. There is usually plenty of water to grow crops like rice and sugarcane. Cotton and tobacco are also important crops. Coconut are there but not as many as in the western coast. कोकोनट यहाँ भी होते हैं लेकिन उतने नहीं होते हैं जितने कि वेस्टर्न कोस्ट में होते हैं. Visakhapatnam and Chennai are two important seaport and city of this coast. Dear student, this is very important question. Which are the important city of eastern plains, eastern coastal plains? So the answer is Visakhapatnam and Chennai are two important seaport and cities of this coast. Visakhapatnam has a very big shipbuilding yard. So this is very important question. The beautiful Marina Beach of Chennai is the largest beach of India. As I am highlighting it because it is very important question. Which is the largest beach in India? Which is the largest beach in India? So the answer is the beautiful Marina Beach of Chennai is the largest beach in India. So this is all about the eastern coastal plains. Now let's discuss islands of India. So there are two main groups of island of India. कितने ग्रुप्स हैं आइसलैंड की? दो मेन ग्रुप हैं. First one is Andaman Nicobar Island and second one is Lakshadweep Island. So let's discuss the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Is a group of 572 islands and islets in the Bay of Bengal. People live only on 38 islands. जो लोग हैं सिर्फ 38 island में रहते हैं. And this is very important question. How many group of islands are in Andaman and Nicobar Island? So the answer is there are 572 group of islands are in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. People live only in 38 islands. Most of these islands are hills rising out the sea. There are thick forests of them. The second one is Lakshadweep Island. This is very important, which is a group of 39 islands. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, how many group of islands are in the Lakshadweep Island? So the answer is in Lakshadweep Island is a group of 39 islands and islets in the Arabian Sea. They are close to Malabar coast. Only 10 islands are big enough. Only 10 islands are big enough for people to live and work. They are only 4 to 5 meters higher than the sea level. The island is sandy and flat. They are surrounded by coral rocks and lagoons. So this is all about the Lakshadweep Island. Let's discuss the life in the western coastal region. Western coastal regions की life कैसी है? So very first, let's discuss the Gujarat. Dear student, northern part of Gujarat is marshy area. It is called Run of Kutch. Dear student, this is very important, which is called Run of Kutch. So the northern part of Gujarat is a marshy area which is called Run of Kutch. Kandla is the newly built seaport here. This is again very important question. Where is the Kandla seaport situated? So the answer is in Gujarat. To the south of Kutch is Saurashtra. Gir forest here are the only natural and safe home for lions. Dear student, this is again very important question. Where is the Gir forest located? So the answer is again Gujarat. Ahmedabad is an old city in Gujarat. This is again very important question. Ahmedabad is an old city in Gujarat. It is famous for shaking towers of Jama Masjid and Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram. This is very important question. Where is the Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram situated? So the answer is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Again, this is very important question. What is the capital of Gujarat? So the answer is Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Dear student, people of Gujarat speak Gujarati language. So what is the local language of Gujarat? The local language of Gujarat is Gujarati. They are well-known traders and found all over the world. Men wear dhoti kurta and white cap or गांधी cap. तो वहाँ के जो आदमी हैं वो धोती कुर्ता और व्हाइट कलर की कैप पहनते हैं जिसे हम गांधी कैप भी बोलते हैं. Women wear sari, putting one end of the sari on the right shoulder. Gujarati farmers wear typical dress. Their favorite dishes are dhokla. As I am removing it, let's move ahead. What is the favorite dish of Gujarat's people? Their favorite dishes are dhokla, bhakri and shirkan. They mix gur in their dal and vegetable. They celebrate all festivals but Navratri with great pomp and show. तो वहाँ के लोग बाकी सारे फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट करते हैं लेकिन स्पेशली नवरात्रि को वहाँ बहुत जोरों शोरों से सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. They are fond of music and dance. Ras and Garba are their popular folk dance. This is again very important question. What is the folk dance of Gujarat? So the answer is Ras and Garba is the famous popular folk dance of Gujarat. Gujarat is a land of farmers. They grow jowar, bajra, cotton, groundnuts, wheat and sugarcane. क्या क्या ग्रो करते हैं गुजरात के लोग? ज्वार, बाजरा, cotton, groundnut, wheat and sugarcane. The villagers keep a large number of milk cattle. They sell their milk to the big dairy at Anand also. Gujarat is famous for producing salt from the sea water. गुजरात किसके लिए फेमस है? वो नदी के समुद्र के पानी से नमक का प्रोडक्शन करते हैं. Oil and natural gas fields south of Vadodara produce plenty of petroleum and gas. It has a large oil refinery. Khadi cloth is produced on handloom in the villages. Ahmedabad is the home of modern textile and industries. Again, this is very important question. Which city is the home of modern textile and industries? So the answer is Ahmedabad is the home of modern textile industry. Bharat is a newly developed industrial center here. Diamond cutting and polishing is a new flourishing industry in Surat and Bhavanagar. Daman and Diu is a small union territory. It lies near south of Gujarat. Daman is its capital. Small union territory of Dadar Nagar Haveli is near southernmost part of Gujarat. So dear student, साउथ में दमन एंड दीप एक छोटी सी यूनियन टेरिटरीज है जो गुजरात की साउथ में है एंड दादर नागर हवेली इज नियर साउदर्न मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ गुजरात. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट गुजरात. Let's discuss coastal plains of Maharashtra. Let's discuss it. Coastal plains of Maharashtra. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is a view of Mumbai. So let's discuss about Maharashtra. Mumbai is the biggest city of Maharashtra, as you all know. It is a part of Konkan coast. People here speak Konkani and Marathi. So मराठा के लोग कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं महाराष्ट्र के लोग? कोंकणी एंड मराठी. Farmers grow rice and coconuts here. Mangoes of Maharashtra are sent to the other part of India and the world. So मुंबई का क्या फेमस है? मुंबई की मैंगोज फेमस है जो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड हम बेचते हैं. मुंबई is the capital of Maharashtra and is on this coast. This is very important as I am highlighting it. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and it is the biggest center of trade and industry including film industry. तो महाराष्ट्र मुंबई किस लिए फेमस है? मुंबई एक बिगेस्ट सेंटर है किसका? ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्री का. और मोस्टली यहाँ पे क्या फेमस है? किस लिए फेमस है? ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए फेमस है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट coastal plains of Maharashtra. The next one is Goa. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, Goa is a small state to the south of Maharashtra. It is famous all over the world for its beautiful beaches. It has many old churches. The most famous of them is Church St. Francis Assisi. Christmas is a major festival. Mando is a famous folk dance of Goa. This is very important question. What is the famous folk dance of Goa? So the answer is Mando is a famous folk dance of Goa. Farmers grow rice, coconut, cashew nuts, mangoes and I'm so sorry. So let's discuss. Mando is the most popular folk dance of Goa. Dear student, farmers grow rice, cashew nuts, mangoes, coconut and areca nuts in the Goa. One of the important mineral of Goa is iron. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of Goa beach as you can see in my screen. The next one is coastal plain of Karnataka. The coast of Karnataka lies south to Goa. Coconut, cashew nut and spices are grown here. There are thick forests of tea tree. Some paper mills have also been set up here. Bangalore is an important port and city of the Karnataka. This is very important as I am highlighting it. Which is the important port and city of Karnataka? So the answer is Bangalore is an important port and city of Karnataka. Let's discuss the Kerala. So the southernmost part of the western coast lies in Karnataka. Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala. This is very important question. Which is the capital of Kerala? So the answer is Trivandrum is the capital of Kerala. People speak Malayalam here. So again, this is very important as I'm highlighting it. What is the local language of Kerala? So the answer is Malayalam is the local language of Kerala. They like to wear white clothes. Men wear a small dhoti and shirt here, and women wear sari and blouse, decorated their hair with flowers. Every person, man or woman of Kerala is literate. This state lead in education. The main festival of Kerala is Onam. So this is very important question. What is the main festival of Kerala? So the answer is the main festival of Kerala is Onam. It is a festival of flower, boat and race. Kathakali is the most popular dance and drama in Kerala. Dear student, this is very important question. What is the most popular dance and drama of Kerala? So the answer is Kathakali is the most popular dance and drama in Kerala. कौन सा dance famous है वहाँ पे? Kathakali dance famous है. Rice is the main food crop. सबसे मेन फूड कौन सा है? राइस है. कोका, कॉफी एंड कैश्यू नट आर ऑल्सो ग्रोन हियर. केरला इज अ लैंड ऑफ स्पाइसेस, पेपर, cloves, cardamom, ginger, and many other spices grown here. Kerala is also a land of coconut. We get copra and oil from coconut. So, dear student, the oil is used for cooking and applying in the hair. Which oil? Coconut oil. The coconut husk is used for making coir mats, carpet, basket and ropes. Another important crop is rubber, which is famous in Kerala. Rubber trees are grown on the slopes of low hills. Yes, student, Kerala is also famous for handicraft made of shells, woods, ivory, stones and metals. So the last one is Lakshadweep Iceland. This is the last subtopic of life in the western coastal region. I'm so sorry. Lakshadweep Iceland lies to the west of the coast of Kerala. They are very small island. Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep. Lifestyle of people is very similar to Kerala people. Coconut grow in plenty, which are exported. Fishing is other main occupation of Lakshadweep Island. Fishing क्या है? यहाँ पर मछली फिशिंग, मत्स्य पालन बहुत ज्यादा होता है. Women work with coir. Some farming is also done here. Okay, student, let's discuss the last learning objective, which is life in eastern coastal region, the coastal plains of Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss it. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of India. Kanyakumari कहाँ है? Southern tip of India. It is situated in the state of Tamil Nadu. जो कहाँ है किस स्टेट में है कन्याकुमारी? तमिलनाडु में है. Water of three seas, which is the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal meets at Kanyakumari. तो कन्याकुमारी में जो सबसे साउदर्न टिप है इंडिया की, इंडिया के का लास्ट पॉइंट है, वहां पे 3 सागर जाके मिलते हैं, which is Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. A small island of the coast is called the Vivekanand Rock. जो वहां पे एक छोटा सा स्मॉल आइसलैंड है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? विवेकानंद रॉक बोलते हैं. सो लेट्स डिस्कस Vivekanand Memorial. This is the pictorial part of Vivekanand Memorial at Kanyakumari. Vivekanand Memorial is built on it. The Meenakshi Temple in Madurai and Temple of Rameshwaram attract people from far and near, which is situated at Tamil Nadu. तमिलनाडु में मीनाक्षी टेम्पल और रामेश्वरम टेम्पल है जो लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करता है वहां घूमने के लिए. महाबलीपुरम is famous for its beautiful beaches and its wonderful stone carvings and temples. Bharatnatyam dance of Tamil Nadu is famous of all over the world. So what is the main dance of Tamil Nadu? Bharatnatyam is the main dance of Tamil Nadu. The river Kaveri makes its delta here. Kaveri delta is called rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Dear student, this is very important question which is called as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. So the answer is Kaveri delta is called as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Which delta? Kaveri delta, which is situated at Tamil Nadu, is called as rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Dear student, this is very important question. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Again, this is very important question. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? So the answer is Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is a center and trade and industry. There are number of cloth mills here. At Premabur, railway coaches are made. Kanchipuram is a center of silk weaving. Silk sari of Kanchipuram are famous as Kanjivaram साड़ी. तो कांजीवरम साड़ी जो कांचीपुर की है बहुत ही फेमस है ऑल ओवर द इंडिया एंड आर इन डिमांड ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. और पूरी कंट्री में इस साड़ी की डिमांड है. द यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ पौंडीचेरी इज साउथ ऑफ चेन्नई. तो जो यूनियन टेरिटरी है पौंडीचेरी वो कहाँ है? साउथ ऑफ चेन्नई है. देयर इज अ फेमस आश्रम फाउंडेड बाय श्री अरविंदो, अ ग्रेट फिलोसोफर एंड पोएट. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? पौंडीचेरी में क्या है? एक फेमस आश्रम है जो किसने बनाया था? श्री अरविंदो, जो एक ग्रेट फिलोसोफर और ग्रेट पोएट थे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट I'm so sorry. This is all about the Tamil Nadu. Let's discuss the next one, which is coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss it. To the north of Tamil Nadu are located the coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh. Rice is the main crop. Other crops are jowar, groundnuts and tobacco. The Delta region are also well known as for their milk, cattle and for the dairy industry. Vijayawada is a very large commercial town of Andhra Pradesh. Rajahmundry is an important railway junction. Visakhapatnam is also a naval center of Andhra Pradesh. Ships are built here. It has an oil refinery too. So this is all about coastal plains of Andhra Pradesh. Let's discuss the coastal plains of Odisha. So, dear student, let's understand coastal plains of Odisha. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, Mahanadi makes its delta in this region. Rice is the main product of the delta region. Farming and fishing are the main occupations here. People of Odisha are good at craftsmen. Their fine silver work and textile design are very famous. Cuttack is the industrial and trade center of Odisha. Dear student, this is very important question. Which is the industrial and trade center of Odisha? So the answer is Cuttack is the famous industrial center and trade center of Odisha. There is a very big steel plant in Rourkela. So again, this is very important question. Where is the Odisha's big steel plant is located? So the answer is in Rourkela. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Dear student, again this is very important question. What is the capital of Odisha? So the answer is Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. It is an old city. The Jagannath temple in Puri is one of the four dhams in India. So जगन्नाथपुरी जो कि उड़ीसा में है, इंडिया के 4 धामों में से जो एक माना जाता है वो उड़ीसा के पुरी में है. Chilka Lake is the largest lake in Odisha. So again, this is very important question. Where is the Chilka Lake located? So the answer is Chilka Lake is located in Odisha. And the important part of Odisha is Konark Temple, which is famous for its sun temple. The Odissi dance is the popular classical dance of Odisha. Dear student, this is again very important question. What is the popular classical dance of Odisha? So the answer is Odissi dance is the popular classical dance of Odisha. People speak Odia language. Men wear kurta and dhoti as women wear sari and blouse. Many tribal people also live in Odisha. They like to wear grey lines of beads and silver jewelry. West Bengal lies east of Bihar and Odisha. The delta of Ganga makes its fertile area. People grow rice and catch fish. Kolkata is an important port and capital city of West Bengal. So, dear student, this is again very important question. What is the capital of West Bengal? So, the answer is Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. So, dear student, let's understand the Andaman and Nicobar Island. These island lies in far east in the Bay of Bengal. One can reach there by sea or by air from Kolkata or Chennai. So हम इस इन आइसलैंड्स में विच इज अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइसलैंड में कैसे पहुंचते हैं? या तो हम सी के थ्रू पहुंचते हैं या फिर हम एयर के थ्रू पहुंचते हैं. कहाँ से होते हुए? कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई से होते हुए. Palm and coconut trees are in plenty near the sea coast. People grow rice, spices, rubber and coffee here. Some make beautiful things out of shells. There is a big naval center here. The capital of these islands is Port Blair. So, in Iceland's की capital city कौन सी है? Port Blair. So, this is very important question. What is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Dear student, when the British ruled India, they built a large jail at Port Blair, which is called as Cellular Jail. They sent hard criminals and freedom fighters as prisoners to this jail. The life was very hard in this jail. So this island was known as also Kala Pani. So this is the pictorial part of Cellular Jail. So this, dear student, this is all about the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Let's understand. As we have already understand it. So this is all about chapter 6. We will study next chapter in our